Welcome to My Online Tips channel. This channel is dedicated for those are serious about setting up a successful business online. We publish quality video content every day. So please subscribe to our channel. Let's see today's video.
Marketing videos on social media. When you're marketing videos on social media, it's a bad idea to use article-to-video tools. That's just not going to happen because on social media, people will follow your brand. People will talk about your brand. Your brand starts developing a reputation. If you crank out a tremendous amount of low-quality, article-to-video garbage, whatever work, time, effort, and sacrifice you put into building a solid brand goes up in smoke. Don't do it. Don't even think about doing it. How come? If you still need to be persuaded why you should steer clear of fully automated videos, it really boils down to the following three factors. Your video must provide something extra. In other words, you're sharing stuff on social media. This video must say something different from your blog post or article. It can't just be a word-for-word dictation of the stuff that you've already written. Your videos must enhance your written content. Not only should your video offer something extra, and we're talking about something in addition here, it should also do so to enhance your written content. In other words, when people are getting value from your written content, this value is taken to a whole other level because now they're seeing your video. They get the aha moment. They go, okay. That makes the article even more powerful. It must create a tight fit between your text and video content. Your video shouldn't just present information like your article didn't exist. If anything, it has to mention your article, your blog brand, your social media accounts, and then, in turn, your text content should talk about your video as well. This is called the cross-mention. This day, when you include content in each format, people become aware that you have content distributed all over the place. You have content on social media. You have content on SlideShare. You have content on Quora. When they interact with that content, they quickly discover that this content is something different. It talks about the same stuff, but there's added value there. You're not just distributing the same stuff across the board. In other words, you're rewarding the audience for the time and effort they took to seek out your material. You're giving them something of value. It's a reward. You give them an incentive. Also, the more they engage with your materials, the more incentivized they feel because they know that you are paying attention to them. In fact, you could say in your video, leave a comment and I will create a video based on the most popular ideas. That's how you get your audience to become emotionally invested in what you do. To a certain extent, they become co-creators with you. To a certain extent, they become co-partners in what you're doing. And there's no better vehicle to get this across than video.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like, share, and post your valuable comments. Thank you all.